Hey friends, this is Atif Opirvel and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my earlier video, I was telling you that we can expect a potential sell-off because more than 46,500 Bitcoins have been transferred to the exchanges, and I was showing you the chain analysis as well. And I was telling you that now there is a sell-off possible, and now you can see that that sell-off has been triggered, and the price line is dropped down at the support of this falling wedge pattern that I was also showing you in my previous video. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and we will also watch this inverse head and shoulder pattern move that I was showing you in my previous video as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared a few days back, almost 5 days ago, with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members. And I was telling my members that it is completing the final leg of the bat move on the 4 hour time frame chart. Therefore, we can expect some further drop in order to complete this final leg as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat move, and that leg was completing on $26,780 and goes to $26,566. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg here. Then we had a nice reversal, and after hitting the sell targets on the price and again moved down. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin has dropped down at the support of this falling wedge pattern and testing the support, and at the same time it was also forming this head and shoulder pattern as well. And I was telling you that now there is a probability that the price line may follow the signal of this falling wedge pattern and the support of this falling wedge pattern rather than following this head and shoulder pattern. For example, if the price line follow the target for this head and shoulder pattern, then the target for this breakdown from this neckline, you can see we got the neckline here almost, and the price line has broken down that neckline, and the target to the downside for this breakdown is here. That is approximately $23,200, but we still have the support of this falling wedge pattern, and at the same time the stochastic on the daily time frame chart has entered the oversold zone. Therefore, there is a probability that from this support of the falling wedge pattern, the price line may start another recovery rally, and this time if the price line reaches the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then the resistance will be approximately at $27,400. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price line can hit the target here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $31,000. And if the price line reaches there, then let me to take you here on this weekly time frame chart. And if the price line reaches at $31,000, then it can break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $28,600 and goes to $30,000. And after breaking out this long-term resistance zone, the price then can hit the target for this big falling wedge pattern that will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $70,000. And you can see that we are also having a very nice support of this weekly EMA 21. Previously, after this rally, the price then tested the support of EMA 21 here on 6th of March, and now we are again testing the support. And there is a very high probability that now after testing this EMA 21, the price line may start another move to the upside to hit the target for this first this falling wedge pattern, and then in the long term it can hit the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.